Now let's move on to our other big top story, and this is StashFin. It's a card, works with an app, and you know the really good part is that it works like a credit card but has something completely different. So it's a digital lending platform. It's registered with the RBI, 100% digital. It'll lend you funds for short-term requirements through a very quick approval in seconds. No physical documents are required. Everything you do, one or two things are done online. Funds ranging from about 1,000 to 5 lakh rupees can be acquired very quickly. 24/7 access to these funds. This is the kind of thing that actually gets everybody included.
Fintech is a term we hear all the time, yet very few of them are actually a great mix of financial and tech world. Thus, when we came across StashFin, which uses AI and big data algorithms to fulfill a huge gap in the market, we were quite intrigued. Think credibility approvals in seconds, all online processes, and usage of a card across the entire country. For people who have been untouched or left behind in terms of creditworthiness, StashFin could well be the new holy grail. StashFin is duly registered with the Reserve Bank of India. It is 100% digital and app-based. So, how does it work? The StashFin app takes the phone number, name of the customer, PAN card, Aadhaar card, a selfie, and through their data science and algorithm, it builds an immediate profile for the customer. StashFin approves the loan within 30 seconds of the required data and documents being shared. The funds range from 1,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees at low interest rates. After the approval of the loan, the users get the StashFin credit line card that gives access to approved funds 24/7 across India. It is a lifetime free card that does not have any hidden fees, ATM withdrawal fees, annual fees, or prepayment fees. The approved funds can be simply loaded up onto the card from the app within 90 seconds at any time of the day and used for online transactions or ATM withdrawals. The users only need to pay interest on the funds loaded up on the card and not the entire approved limit. So, the users can let the funds lie unused and use them only when an urgent need comes up. As for repayment, users can make the payments in form of EMIs going up to 36 months. With quick approvals and an easy repayment system, 24/7 access to funds through a card that is always free and does not have any unnecessary charges is a true revolution when it comes to fulfilling short-term fund-related needs. And the fact that it uses some serious tech to achieve all that makes it even better in our opinion.
I decided this is an interesting enough thing to actually talk to the founder and CEO, Tushar Agarwal. Tushar, thank you so much for joining us on the show. So tell me a little bit about why the thought process. Why did you think of doing this? Why StashFin? What's the story behind it?
So Rajiv, quick background. I grew up in India, had a chance to go to the US where I was working on Wall Street for many years and returned to India in 2012. And when I moved back to India, I had a very hard time getting a credit card, because the banks saw me as new to credit, although I was working for many, many years. And that made me believe how tough it might be for our fellow citizens to get access to consumer credit. And once people got a credit card, it was also one size fits all, where the rates of interest were the same, irrespective, where in my case, for example, who was working for many years, or someone who's starting out their credit journey for the first time.
Tushar, another thing that you've been making a lot of headlines about is to do with Sentinel. What is Sentinel?
So StashFin Sentinel is a program which is for the armed forces. Rajiv, personally, for my experience when I was in the US, I used to always observe that soldiers in a bus or a train, people would give up their seats and allow them to sit. Or if they're in a restaurant, someone would offer to pay for the meals. Unfortunately, I moved back to India. I felt like we were not doing as much of a service to our soldiers as we could. And we also were wondering what could we do for ourselves, which was good for society, but also good for business. So we came out with StashFin Sentinel.
Great, Tushar. Thank you so much for speaking with us. I think it's very interesting what you're doing, and we'll keep tracking your growth story.